What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I want to say a big Merry Christmas to all of my bomb ass subscriber squad. Guys, I'm not doing the 5 first commenter shout out today. I am just shouting out all of my ride or die bomb ass subscriber squad that always rocks with your girl. Merry Christmas to you all. Happy holidays. I hope that you get everything your heart desires. I hope that your kids get everything their heart desires. I hope everybody is eating and sharing and just remembering Christ on this day, guys. Y'all, Merry Christmas. I'm just so excited. Y'all, it's almost 2020. And I just cannot wait to see what's in store for me in 2020. Y'all, this year has been a great year for me. I'm looking forward to bigger and better things in 2020. I think we're going to do a New Year's Eve giveaway. I think we're going to do our big 2K giveaway on New Year's Eve with some champagne, with some toasting, with some winners. I think that's what we're going to do, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if that's what you think I should do. And y'all, we're going to get right on into it. So today, guys, we're unboxing my second Lash Me Monthly box. I'm very excited to see what we got this month. So if you guys want to see what's in my Lash Me Monthly for the month of December, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you received for Christmas, dear. Okay, guys, welcome or welcome back. Y'all know I'm TonyaNicole. Thank y'all for rocking with your girl on this Christmas. Hey, ooh. I'm not even gonna start it, y'all. But as you can see, I don't have my lashes on. I don't have eyeshadow on, a lipstick, because we're unboxing Lash Me Monthly. And guys, I saw the spoilers for this box on Instagram, and I said, let me do a try on. Plus, a couple of my subscribers requested that I do a try on with this box. So that's what we're going to do today. So I hope you guys are ready. We're going to get into the specs. We're going to unbox it, try it on, and you know what we're going to do from there, right? Y'all got y'all drink? Y'all need a drink break and a dance break? So for you guys that do not know, Lash Me Monthly is a fairly new subscription. It's a $21.99 per month beauty subscription, lash subscription. Sorry, I'm stumbling all over my words today, guys. And I haven't even had my first drink yet. It has free shipping, guys. You get 3 pairs of personalized lashes and 3 full-size beauty products. All of their lashes are cruelty and fur free. And y'all know I told y'all about it before. I will link last month's video so you guys can see about the personalized quiz that they ask you. It's a lot of in-depth questions so that they can give you lashes that you want. So yes, guys, if you use the code Tonya, you can get $5 off of your first box. So we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna get on into it, because that's how we do it over here. It's Christmas, y'all. Y'all better be celebrating and drinking with me. Hey. So let's get this box on and cracking. I love the box, y'all, with the lashes on the front. It's so cute. So we're gonna open her up. Okay, it comes, that's the inside of the box, guys. And we do get a card with this box, which makes me very happy. On the front of the card, it says, it's a holiday blast. Let the party begin. Y'all know I'm big on partying, so yes, let it begin, boo. And on the back of the card is all of the products we received, as well as the prices. And y'all know I'm gonna put a total towards the end, so we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna go in the order in which I would normally do my face. Well, I'm gonna try to. Yeah, so let's go with the first item. Up first, from Mellow Cosmetics, it's this powder blush in the shade, I don't know. But this, guys, is what the outside packaging is looking like. It's very pretty. Let's open it. And it's in the shade Pink. That's what the outside looks like, guys. This is the shade right here. Now, this shade is a little light for me, but I'll still put it on since it's a try-on video. And before we try this on, let me tell y'all what it retails for. And this is the Mellow Cosmetics powder blush, and it retails for $16. I'm going to use this Echo Glam brush that I got from TJ Maxx. It's just a nice stippling brush. I already have my bronzer on, so we just gonna dip right on into that. Ooh, it's very powdery. And add a little bit to our cheeks. It's very light, almost like sheer, but I think it's got like a little highlighting aspect to it. I don't know, I see a little something. I don't know, guys. It makes my cheeks look kind of ashy. This color might be a little too bright for me. I don't know. So yes, guys, so we got this little blush here from Mellow Cosmetics, okay? Up next, guys, we're gonna go with this Beauty Creations Mini Pro Volume 4 palette, and that's what the outside packaging is looking like. And we're gonna slide it out, and there we have it. And let's see what we got. Ooh, it comes with a mirror. This is the palette, guys. It is a gorgeous purpley pink palette. I absolutely love the colors. The shades are called Chocolate Mocha, Sugar Mama, White Lies, Spoil Rotten. This is definitely my type of palette. So we're gonna put some of these shadows to the test now. Let's grab my Morphe 504 brush here, and we're gonna start out with Chocolate Mocha right there. We're gonna put that all over our lid. We really don't have a transition color in this palette, but we're gonna use Chocolate Mocha all over the lid. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's light, very powdery. Let's see if we could blend that out some. Make it a little bit more pigmented. Just in the crease, guys. You really can't see it really well, but it's a good little starter color, base color, just to kind of blend everything else together, since we do have a lot of purples and pinks in here. Dip into Dreamer right there, just to kind of go into the crease. I'm gonna use the same brush, guys. Just right. Ooh, now that one is very pigmented. Ooh, okay, I like that. I'm gonna follow the same motion I just did. Ooh. Now that Dreamer is gorgeous. Gorgeous color. Very pigmented. It's showing up beautifully. Wow. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty. Okay, I like that. So again, with the same brush, I'm just gonna wipe it off on a napkin I have here, guys. We're gonna now deepen up that crease and go with On the Rise, this shade right here. We're gonna blend that one into the crease. I'm still using the same brush, y'all. That's how simple I am. And this is a purple color. It's not as deep as I thought on the pan, but I just want to add it right to the crease and deepen up that purple. Ooh, girl, yes. My type of palette, I tell you, I love it. Deepen it up. Very simple. And if y'all been watching me, y'all know I love a deep corner. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna take and just kind of buff it out on the ends so that it looks more blended. Perfect. Look at that, guys. That looks good. So now we're gonna switch brushes because we need to add a little pop to the middle. I'm going with this little Morphe brush here, and I'm gonna dip into Simplicity, this one right here, which is like a purple glitter, just to kind of put in the front here. Ooh, no, let's go into Sugar Mama, this blue color here. Let's see how that looks. Let's see. Ooh, that might be a little too light. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see, guys, if this is gonna go. It's kind of patchy. Let's spray our brush a little bit. I'm gonna use my primer water here from Smashbox and just spray it a little bit. And we're gonna add it right to the front, right here. Oh, that's better. Okay, that's better. Much better. Ooh, okay, I like that. That's something different. Normally, I don't do these types of colors, y'all. Not together, at least. But we trying to be adventurous today because it's Christmas, right? Yeah, I guess. Okay, and that's that. It looks like some nice little frosty icicles, huh? Yeah. We're just gonna go back in with that first brush and just kind of marry them together, which it's kind of pulling off a little bit of the edge. Ooh. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna dip into this dark purple shade again, just to kind of go on the edge of that color and mix it all in, so that we look like we are all blended out like that. Perfect. Doesn't that look cute? Okay, so that is all we're gonna do right now. We're gonna dip back into this palette to go underneath, but I just want to show you guys the blue. I'm not really feeling so much, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's see what this palette retails for, guys. And this is the Beauty Creations Mini Pro Volume 4 palette, and it retails for $12 for this palette. Next, y'all know my favorite part is the lashes, and they are packaged so cute. And this is what my lashes look like for this month. They're kind of similar to last month's lashes, but I think they're quite similar, especially these two pairs. But I do love them. They're very full and wispy. The top ones are more on the natural side, but these two are definitely TonyaNicole Flare. And we're gonna prep these, put some glue on them, let them sit. Then we're gonna do our lips, and then we're gonna apply our lashes. So really quick, these are the personalized lashes, and they're $14 each. So I'm gonna multiply 14 times 3 and put it down below. Y'all know I'm not doing that right now because I'm not gonna show y'all that I'm not that good at math. Well, we're gonna use this middle pair right here, guys. And we're going to just prep them with some glue and then apply them. So let me just put on my glue from Lash Me Box. Y'all know I love this glue. In the meantime, however, before I do the lips, I'm gonna go off camera really quick, and I'm going to apply mascara, line my bottom lid, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'm back. I just put on a little mascara on the top lashes, and I lined my eyes with this Urban Decay purple pencil. Now we're gonna apply our lashes. I'm very excited for that. My glue is not really that dried yet, but it's okay. I'll just blow them until they become drier. So y'all know I take my lashes like this. I told y'all I'm a finger girl. Look down into the mirror, line them up. And apply them. Make any necessary adjustments, and that's it. That's a wrap. Look down, line them up. Okay, so our lashes are intact. They're looking good. Ooh, I love these lashes. They're just so wispy. They're all the way across the same length, which I do love. This little side right here giving me a little problem. The lashes are ready. They're on. They're popping. Ooh, girl, y'all know I love a good lash. I like this, I like this, I like this. And I told you they were $14.99 each. And we're gonna get to our last product now. Let me fix them, they're looking good. What y'all think? Okay, last product is the Tarte H2O Gloss right here. And this beautiful color, I think it's called Bobble. I don't know, I can't really see it. Ooh, smells like cotton candy or something. That's what the applicator looks like. I'm gonna line my lips really quick with the ColourPop Control Liner here. It's like a brown liner. Okay. So let's apply the gloss, and then we're gonna finish our bottom lid, and we're gonna be done. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Tastes good. This is beautiful. This would be a nice topper color. It's gorgeous, makes my lips look shiny and sexy. And I'm loving this Tarte H2O gloss. It's not sticky. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And this retails for $10, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go finish off my bottom lid, and then we're going to do final thoughts. I'm just gonna do the dark purple shade. All right, this is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I'm just gonna set my face now with this Tarte Double Duty setting spray. which I have been absolutely loving. This is the final look, guys. It is so cute, huh? I know. So let's do a quick recap, final thoughts. I'm gonna rate the box and we're gonna be done. So we received from Mellow Cosmetics this blush in pink here. We received this mini pro palette from Beauty Creations here. We received the 3 eyelashes from the Lash Me Monthly company. And last but not least, the Tarte H2O gloss. So that is all of our products for this month. Final thoughts on the boxes. This is only my second box, and I must tell you guys, I have really been enjoying this subscription. I said in my Lashy Box video that I would let you guys know the winner and the loser for this month between Lashy Box and Lash Me Monthly. And I must say, guys, for this month, it goes to Lash Me Monthly. This box was really, really, really nice. They gave us a nice eyeshadow palette, which the shades in this palette are very pretty. This shade really didn't work too good. I had to really work with it a lot, but the shades in this palette are gorgeous. I absolutely love this palette. Y'all know that I love the lashes, even though they look quite similar to the ones I received last month, especially the pair that I'm wearing in this last pair in here. But it's okay. I'll still take them. They're beautiful lashes. I love the lip gloss. It makes my lips look gorgeous. Nice and just like glossy. Love it. The blush I could probably do without because I think it's like a sheer color. It's not really, really my color. But I could probably mix it with something to make it work. But all in all, I really enjoyed this box. I thought it was a great box for this month. I am so looking forward to next month's box, guys. Y'all know I'm going to be doing away with a lot of boxes next month if they're not stepping up to the plate. So I must say I am pleasantly pleased and surprised that this box is this good. But I love it. So if I had to rate this box, guys, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn bonfire. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. We're going to rate Lash Me Monthly. We're going to give them a solid 4.5. Maybe even a 5 for this month. I mean, I love the box, guys. I thought it was beautiful. I think for the price, you do get a good variety of products. You get eyeshadows and lipsticks. They give you palettes. It's a really, really great subscription. Don't forget, guys, if you use the code Tonya, you will get $5 off of your first box. If you have not subscribed to your girl, go ahead and press that button. We're going to have a big New Year's Eve drawing for my 2K. Excited, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment on my videos. I love interacting with my people. Y'all know I do. I try to answer all of my comments, or at least love the comment, so that you know that I do read the comments. I will put the link to Lash Me Monthly down below in the description box. And that is all, guys. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. I enjoyed doing this try-on video with you guys. I will see you all Friday. I love you all so much. Have a happy holiday, guys. Peace.